Welcome to our new video. First of all, remove the fuse and de-screw the wall plate as shown in the video. Combine two neutrals and insert in terminal 1 two live cables in the terminal 2 and two cables to terminal 3 and 4, while earth cable in the earth terminal of the receiver plate. I normally connect the cable from fuse pure to the receiver plate and from the plate to the boiler, because two cables are difficultly fit in the boiler, especially in backseat boilers. Put back the receiver on the plate and push the fuse back in the spur to get the power in the boiler and thermostat receiver. And two batteries in the thermostat. The batteries come with the thermostat kit. To pair the ESI receiver with the thermostat, press and hold the left button on the receiver for 10 seconds until the light flashes, indicating it is in pairing mode. The right button should flash, typically green signaling it is looking for the thermostat. Press and hold the A, H and plus buttons simultaneously for approximately 3 seconds. Keep pressing until the signal symbol flashes on the thermostat and the green light on the receiver stops flashing or turns off, indicating the units are paired.